When you buy a computer, are you choosing long-term value or just the lowest price? A cheaper mini PC looks like a smart deal until it fails, and you replace it again and again. Over 5 years, that cheap choice becomes so expensive, plus downtime, plus frustration, plus constant interruptions. Or you choose once. Geekom 85 Pro 2026 edition. One investment, 5 years or more of stable, reliable performance. No replacements, no interruptions, no worries, because real value isn't about paying less today. It's about worrying less tomorrow. True economy is not measured in price tags, but in lasting performance and simple reliability. Geekom will never be the cheapest, because we choose to be the most dependable. Geekom 85 Pro 2026 edition, built for long-term thinkers.